Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to register on this portal to Bitcoin testnet using your mobile device. Just like other testnets we've been doing before, we are going to be using our Mises browser, okay? Now, all the links you need to complete this are in the description of this video. The number one link will bring you to this page here, where you are going to click to get their own extension. We are not going to use MetaMask for this, all right? We are not going to use MetaMask. They have their own extension, and that is what we are going to be using to complete this. So from the first link there, it will bring you to this page. Click on Get Portal Dex. This page here. Do not connect wallet yet until you have set up their own extension. So you're going to click on Get Portal Dex, and it will take you to Chrome Web Store. Okay, when he brings you to Chrome Web Store, add the Chrome. Just click on Add to Chrome. I have already added it here. Once you are done adding it to Chrome, at the top of your screen here, you're going to see this extension icon. This icon here is extension icon, just at the top of your screen. Okay, so you're going to click on it. Then you're going to click on Portal Dex. You see Portal Dex here. Click on it. Wait for it to load. Now, it might give you this page, unsupported browser. Then what you need to do is that you need to change your phone view to desktop view. So from the top right corner here, these three dots you see here, you click on it, and then you click on these three dots, and then you scroll down, click on desktop sites. Okay? Once it comes to desktop site, then it will show you how it is supposed to be. This is how it's supposed to be. Now at this point, you are supposed to create a new wallet. Please just create a new wallet and save your seed phrase somewhere safe. Okay, save your seed phrase, just create a new wallet. So I'm going to create a new wallet now. Okay, so once you are creating it, if you click on reveal your recovery phrase so that you can save your recovery phrase. All right, make sure you save your recovery phrase. It is very important. Remember, if it is not your phrase, it is not your wallet. If you lose your phrase, you have lost your wallet and everything in it. So I'm going to click on take me to my wallet. I'll click on continue. Sepolia Testnet, this version is designed for testing purposes and doesn't support mainnet yet. Okay, I have read and I acknowledge. This is just setting up the wallet. All right, you are ready to go. To use, just click Portal Wallet in the extension drop down. All right, so this means that I have finished setting up my wallet. Okay, the next thing I need to do now, if you want to access your wallet, just click on the extension icon there. Click on the extension icon. Click on Portal Dex, wait for it to load, and then close this. Some of your wallets aren't backed up. Remind me later, I will back this up later. Okay, so once you come here, you click on Get Test Coins. Okay, get test coins so that you get some free faucet, free Bitcoin and Ethereum faucet that you use to complete task. Okay, remember that in completing testnet, you need free faucets. You need faucets. Faucets are like the real, are like Ethereum, but they are not the real Ethereum. They just help you to complete task on testnets. Okay, so I will click on Get Test Coins. This might take some time. In just 3 to 10 minutes, your app will be opened and I will have access. Okay. So after claiming free test tokens, just give it some time and your Bitcoin that you claimed will appear in your wallet. You can see 0.0025 BTC worth 237 USD. But remember that this is just test tokens. They are not real tokens. Okay. Now, the next thing you're going to do is click on opening Lightning channel. Open Lightning channel. You need to open this in order for you to be able to complete task on this desk. Okay, so I'm going to click on open Lightning channel. So you just need to wait for this to complete on its own. Do not close this page. Just hold on and wait for it to complete. Okay, it is about to be confirmed now. And that is it. It is confirmed now. Now that it is confirmed, you can still use this faucet option here to get more faucet token. You can see that the only thing I have here is 0.001 468 BTC. I can click on Faucet, and from here you can get as much token as you can get. So get Sepolia Ethereum. The most easy one to get is this Sepolia Ethereum. So just click on sign and verify. Wait for this to connect to your wallet. Cancel this out, and then sign this, and you see identity verified. You will receive your Ethereum in 3 to 5 minutes. You can use this option to, if you are a person that is into testnet and you're looking for ways to get Ethereum Sepolia, this is one very good place that you can get Ethereum Sepolia. I have gotten almost 2 Ethereum Sepolia from this. Just keep doing this, verify, and just verify and claim. Just keep verifying and claiming the token, and it will be sent to your wallet directly. Okay, so let me close this now. Now that is done, we have created our wallet and everything. Our wallet is ready. Now we need to connect our wallet and register on this website. This is where you come back to the number 1 link in this description of this video. All right, the number 1 link there. You click on connect wallet, then you click on connect portal. Always use connect portal because you are connecting the portal extension. This is what you are connecting. I'll click on connect portal. Wait for that to load. Always cancel this out. Then click on connect to portal. Network change there, and now you need to sign the transaction. That is network reported as. Just scroll down and accept these terms and conditions. I understand and accept. Okay, so right now I have registered successfully. Okay, the next thing you need to do now is to complete tasks. You need to complete quest. You can see complete quest, right? Scroll down, and these are the quests you need to complete. First of all, join Portal's Discord. So you need to connect your Discord. All right, you need to connect your Discord and you earn 50 sparks. Second one that you need to do is to join their Telegram. Of course, you can do most of these things on your own, right? Just click on join, connect your Discord, connect your Telegram, and you get the token, the 50 sparks. The next one is follow Portal X on X. Follow Portal on X, which is Twitter. Complete this as well, okay? Then after that, you come to level 2. Level 2 is where you need to do swapping, okay? This is where you need to do on-chain transaction using the Portal extension that you have installed and registered already. Perform a swap. Perform an on-chain swap any amount using the Portal to Bitcoin app. Sparks will take up to 30 minutes to show up and check back, okay? So what you need to do is that once you register on this, after your registration, click on the extension, go to the Portal Dex, all right? Come to the Portal Dex and come to swap. You see swap here? Come to swap. This is where you need to swap Bitcoin to Ethereum and Ethereum to Bitcoin. Just keep swapping to and fro. Keep swapping to and fro. The more you swap, the more XP you get, the more tasks you are going to complete. So you just need to click on this 0.0000002. Okay, then I will make my swap. I'm swapping Bitcoin to Ethereum. I'll click on swap. Sometimes this thing fails a lot, so it doesn't matter if it fails the first time, second time, or third time. Keep swapping. Just keep trying anytime you are free. Like I've said, it will take a lot of time from creating, matching, swapping until it finally completes. But just make sure that you complete the swapping. As a matter of fact, on the day you register, make sure you swap at least 15 times. You need to swap at least 15 times. So you just keep doing that, swap from this to that. And remember that if you need more faucets, just come to this faucet here. It will take you to this new page where you need to click sign and verify to get Ethereum, free Ethereum Sepolia that you can use to complete your tasks. Okay, that is what you just need to do. After you claim one, you reload the page, click sign and verify again, click on sign and verify, and then sign this. You see, I keep getting, and what you are going to be getting each time you claim is 0.1 Ethereum Sepolia. That is what you're going to get. So from here, you can also send it. From there, you can send to any wallet of your choice. From your wallet here, you can send to any other wallet of your choice. You can always come use this send option here to send your Ethereum. The Ethereum has not yet arrived in the wallet, probably due to network. Okay, but this is basically what you need to do. The most important thing is to swap. The most important thing is to swap. Let me check the last swap that I did. Let me see. Filter. Swaps. Okay, the last swap that I did failed. You can see that it failed, but that is not a problem. Like I said, it will fail a lot. It fails most times, but just keep trying and swapping as much as possible. So guys, basically that is all you need to do. As the more tasks you complete, you keep checking this bonus block website to see what task is available that you can complete. You can see the 15 swap I'm talking about, daily swap bonus for 200 sparks. You need to perform 15 daily on-chain swaps and any amount using the Portal to Bitcoin app. Sparks will take up to 30 minutes to show up, so you can always check back later. So like I've said, try to register on this and then complete as much swaps and much tasks that you can. If you want to refer your friend, of course you can just come here and copy your referral link, share with whoever you want to share the testnet with. As the person registered, you also get some bonus. All right, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share this video with others so we can all participate on this testnet. Until next time, bye for now guys.